Sinwha, Asia Pacific's leading marine, offshore, supply and logistics provider, has been providing clients with world-class services for the past 50 years. Among Sinwha's wide array of supplies and services, it is also with great pride that Sinwha offers access to one of the widest assortments of provisions, store supplies in the industry. Main products that we bring in juices from Cyprus, we got milk from Europe, and as I say, our frozen meats are all from Brazil and everything like that. But we tend to house quite a few thousand SKUs in our line, and we can pretty much procure anything near enough a good vast majority of what our customer requirements are. In addition to providing clients with variety, Sinwha also places much emphasis in the quality of their products, maintaining the same standard in every step of the process. Suppliers are loaded into Sinwha's reefer trucks to keep the storage temperature consistent, and even during transportation, maintaining the freshness of the goods any time for delivery to your vessel at the ports. Our strong points in keeping integrity and the quality of the goods that we receive. Dry goods, when they're brought into the facility that I'm standing in now, which is the dry warehouse. She approximately holds about 3,000 pallets. Warehouse 35 is broken into dry section and a multi-temperature section. The dry section is on a 2-story level. The ground floor section of the dry section is our picking section. So the second floor is our replen section. The dry ambient section in the warehouse, in Warehouse 35, the provisions warehouse, has actually got an extractor fan system, 3 extractor fan system built into the roof. And basically it does create the movement of air, so obviously there's fresher air coming through. And obviously in a climate like Singapore, where it can get pretty hot and sticky, that air movement is ideal to the situation, how it moves. And it keeps the ambient product at a good temperature and a good quality. The freezer section, the 2 freezers, they'll hold somewhere in the region of about 1,300, 1,400 pallets. My freezer 1, like the dry, is our picking section. So she'll have all the pick faces and the replen units, and freezer 2 is where we keep all the imports for our replen section. And then we have a chiller section where we keep all our fruit and vegetables, all our eggs and all our breads, etc. And then we have a picking section, an ante-room section in that multi-temperature section. So everything comes out, is packed into the ante-room, ready for dispatch to go out. Sinwha's emphasis in upholding the quality of their provisions is simply evident in their accreditation of the SS590 HACCP certification for its food storage and distribution. So we make sure that the quality is all the way through, as we have to with our ISO standards and our HACCP standards. That all requires, which are our accreditations. We must follow them processes and procedures. Plus the other thing are QR codes and scanning codes that we've all upgraded and gone into a complete RF system that we're continuously developing. So we've got traceability. So if there is an issue, we can act on it straight away and obviously make the necessary adjustments, and it all puts us forward to making the next delivery better. On the environmental aspect of things as well, Sinwha is continuously talking to both our suppliers, both within Singapore and abroad, and when we import, of how we can keep packaging reduced or how we can use biodegradable packaging. And Warehouse 5 runs on full solar energy as well. So see, that solar energy produces all the energy that the warehouse uses, our multi-temperature energy, our dry energy and everything. We also go into recycling our pallets, our coal bins and everything are all washed out and everything, so they're fully recyclable as well. So we are looking at environmental ways as per our ISO accreditation, and obviously moving forward and looking at even more biodegradable ways. At Sinwha, we've already invested in state-of-the-art facilities. We have top technology, #1 cold chain facilities, including reefer trucks, which we've invested in. We have state-of-the-art MHE in this facility, and also top credentials of what we do. We will continue monitoring that going forward and continue improving in order to give our customer the best service that we can offer.